The outgoing Biden administration has introduced changes to H-1B visa regulations, aiming to streamline the process for US companies to hire foreign workers, especially in specialized fields. These changes are expected to benefit Indian tech professionals who are among the largest group of H-1B visa holders. H-1B visas are non-immigrant visas that allow US companies to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations requiring advanced technical or theoretical knowledge. With this update, the Department of Homeland Security, that is DHS, has modernized criteria for what qualifies as a specialty occupation and further clarified exemptions for non-profit and governmental research organizations from the annual visa cap. The updated rules allow employers greater flexibility in hiring and provide smoother transitions for international students moving from F1 student visas to H-1B status. This is expected to reduce disruptions in work authorization for students. The new regulations will also enable the US Citizenship and Immigration Services, that is USCIS, to process applications faster, particularly for those who have previously been approved for an H-1B visa. The rules also allow certain H-1B holders with controlling interests in their petitioning organizations to be eligible for the visa under reasonable conditions. While offering more flexibility for employers, the changes also aim to strengthen the integrity of the H-1B program. The USCIS will now have enhanced authority to conduct inspections and impose penalties for non-compliance. The new rules also clarify that the labor condition application must align with the H-1B petition and require petitioners to have a legal presence in the US. The new rules also redefine non-profit and governmental research organizations, clarifying that they are exempt from the H-1B cap if their primary activity is research. This change resolves previous confusion over which organizations qualified for cap exemption. The changes are set to take effect on January 17, 2025 and will require the use of a new version of Form I-129. While the annual H-1B cap remains in place, these adjustments are expected to make the visa process more accessible and efficient, benefiting both US businesses and foreign talent.